then I'm sorry for the dramatics. My grandchildren will be very embarrassed. So I had a friend who had a cedar tree that the limbs were hanging over her house, and so she decided to cut some of those limbs down. And anyway, I was fortunate to be able to acquire one of these. And so yeah, here I am gonna give this piece of cedar a go. So as I began to turn this thing, I had to turn the end grain first, and boy was that tough. I'd never really turned an end grain like this before, and it was slow going. But then as we continued on, it was able to get easier and easier once I got into the straight grain.
I'll tell you one thing, I had no idea how hard cedar would be to turn. Driving me crazy. Okay, I've got it turned around from the outboard portion back to the regular way. So now all I've got to do is get my mask on and my glasses on and my face shield. My bowl gouge with the old Ellsworth grind, and here we go.
Okay, right here I am turning a foot to be on this project. I have never turned a foot, I don't think, before, and so I thought, hey, I might give this a shot. But anyway, turned out really great, and you'll see it at the end. And yes, it is sanding time. You know, this sanding just takes a lot of time. And here we are defining the edge of the bowl, trying to round it over a smidge with the homemade round carbide cutting tool.
hey everybody, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. This Cedar Bowl was a challenge at first, and then it got better. When I first started turning it on the lathe, you remember it was a huge piece, and then I was turning a lot of the end grain first. And so, man, I thought I would never get that end grain turned, but once I got it to where it started taking shape, then yeah, it started easing up and turned so much better. But anyway, here it is. I'll have some shots in a little bit, kind of show you what it looks like. And anyway, I hope you like it. I just really love this. My wife wanted me to turn her a Cedar Bowl, so here it is. And there's my logo on the back. And anyway, if you would, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I would love it if you would comment and tell me what you think about the bowl, the process, anything about it. And hey, I'll see you guys next time.